Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. We're going to dive straight on in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video if you're interested in reading reviews on the company or putting that application in. And I do always just ask that if you enjoy these job lead videos, give them a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback, and share with all your friends and family. But today's job lead is from the company Angie. Now, you may have seen Angie, formerly known as, I believe, Angie's List. You may have seen ads on TV for them. I know recently I've seen ads on DirecTV for them. But they have over 4,000 reviews on Glassdoor. They have about 4,500 reviews from current and past employees with an employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a part-time freelance fact checker. So basically what you're going to be doing is verifying the information is accurate and correct, checking those facts. Angie never wants to put out anything that is incorrect. This is remote for the United States only. They're looking for somebody with availability between 20 to 40 hours per month, so very part-time. And best of all, you can take place at your own schedule. So you get to set your own schedule. So this is perfect for those of you who are just looking for something on the side to make a little bit of extra money, working around another full-time job. But they're looking for somebody to work closely with their content editors to review the content drafts, making sure to fact check the existing cost data against an approved list of outside sources. So you might have to pick up the phone and make outbound phone calls, calling the pros weekly to confirm the cost data accuracy and record your findings. You'll fact check the data used across multiple articles to ensure consistency and accuracy. You'll perform in-depth research and cross-referencing of all online resources to ensure cost data is factually correct and original, checking for unreliable, outdated, false, or misleading sources, providing editors with any updated information that you find. So you'll provide clear guidance to the writers on any changes or recommendations that you think needs to be done. Now, as far as what they're looking for someone who can demonstrate a track record of proofing content for the web, someone who has a passion for creating content. They do want somebody who has at least 1 year experience creating or editing content. Someone who has a fact-checking experience is preferred. Someone who has experience using Grammarly or Google Docs is preferred but not required. But Grammarly has a free version you can download into your Google Chrome browser right now, and Google Docs is free too. So if you don't know how to use them, go learn how to use them. Now, they do prefer somebody who has a degree in English communication, some kind of writing or journalism. It is preferred, but it is not required. They do say they will take equivalent experience and be seriously considering you if you have experience over that degree. Now, the hourly rate for this part-time position is very good. It's anywhere from $20 to $30 an hour. Don't forget, this is a freelance 1099 position, so they're not taking taxes out on you, so you'll be responsible for reporting that at tax time. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.